What is going on, everybody? Welcome to our first YouTube video. Basically, this channel is going to be used for information on how to do everything in order to be financially free and build generational wealth. That means from trading stocks to wholesaling to dropshipping, everything you need in order to be successful. Today's video is going to be how we started and the basics of trading stocks and some tips you're going to need. I'm Sean.
What's up, guys? My name is Jesse. We're brothers, obviously, and we've reached huge success. I mean, we just created this channel just to give you guys a sneak peek into what you need to do if you want to reach that level. We may not be wearing suits, but we're kids just like you guys. We were able to make a large amount of money, and we don't need to flex that or make it look like anything that it's not. We're just here to give you guys an introspection into what we do. So he's gonna tell you guys how we started, and we're gonna keep it rolling, give you some tips and whatnot, and then keep subscribing, like, and we're gonna keep posting videos.
My brother started trading stocks at the age of 18. He took a lot of L's, I'm not gonna lie, but with those L's, he learned a lot from them, and he was able to acquire a large amount of money in the future with trading stocks. He taught me pretty much everything I knew, and so that I didn't have to take those L's like he did. Just last year, I made over $500,000 from stocks trading, nothing else, no wholesaling, no dropshipping, just off stocks trading. And you know, that's what we're here to do, to teach you guys how to do the exact same thing. We're not special, we just studied a lot and did a lot of research so that we could become what we are today. We're gonna just get into the video.
The first thing that I always say is, it's really hard to make money fast, but it's really easy to make a lot of money in the long term. So I need you guys to start thinking, especially for the younger people, even the older people, it doesn't matter. I need you guys to start thinking long term. What are you looking for in the next 10 years? If you can't imagine yourself having at least $500,000 in the bank in 10 years, then you're doing something wrong, because the market allows you to do that. And those are the kind of things that we talk about in class, how you can achieve that, what you need to invest in, what you need to do to get $500,000 in 10 years. That's how you start. And then we can start looking at the short-term things that we can do in terms of investing in real estate and wholesales and options contracts that we can do in the short term. But I need you guys to think about the long term first, because that's where the mental game changes, and that's where you can really start to see a change in your life. Next thing I need you guys to think about is, how much are you willing to hustle to get what you want? When you're doing wholesaling, the only thing that separates the weak from the strong is how hard they're willing to go at it. When we first got into wholesaling, it took months for us to find the first deal, months of driving, of researching, of hunting and looking for deals, and calling and emailing and cold pickups and everything. And you guys need to be willing to do that. So don't just come in here and think it's just going to be easy just because you see a bunch of money and nice cars. It's very hard.
Just because we acquired this lifestyle, it did take a lot of hard work. That's what people don't understand. It took a lot of hard work, and it took, some stressful nights, some sleepless nights. But, at the end of the day, it's worth it.
The last tip that I'm going to give you guys is that there is a major shift in wealth happening. I'm not going to get into the details because, like I said, the people in our classes are going to get mad. But there is a major shift in wealth happening, and you guys need to be a part of that. There's going to be a whole new generation of millionaires and billionaires that are made into change from the era that we were in to the era that we're going to. And so if I could give you guys any tip, I would say right now, open up a brokerage and buy Apple and Tesla. The future is in these companies. The future is in the world.
People were asking me what wholesaling is. I'm going to give you guys like the basics of wholesaling. Basically, you want to find a motivated seller. You want to find a buyer, and what you do is you're somewhat like the middleman. So say the seller wants 100 grand for their property. You find somebody for 110 grand, get the contract, and that 10 grand is yours. So say they want 100 grand for their property, and you find somebody for 150 grand. That 50 grand is yours. That's how you make money. Doing wholesaling is extremely lucrative. We're going to be making a drop shipping video very soon, how to get started with that, some tips on how to do that. I really hope this video helps you guys. Peace out. Like and subscribe for more content, for more knowledge. Love you guys. Peace out.